In this video, we will discuss a breakout trading strategy that is very easy to use, even if you are a beginner trader. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX. This breakout trading strategy is quite effective and can be applied to various assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other assets. Additionally, this breakout trading strategy works on all time frames, so you can use it for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Therefore, make sure to stay until the end of the video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing. The trading strategy we will discuss uses the break and retest method. After a breakout occurs, you need to wait for a retest before placing an order. Without further ado, let's start the video. To use this trading strategy, you can go to Trading View. Then, go to the Indicators Search tab. In the Search tab, type Range Detector. Next, select the range detector by xauusd. We will use this range detector indicator with its default settings. However, before you use this indicator, there are a few things you need to understand about it. There are three important elements in using this indicator: unbroken, broken upward, and broken downward. When the indicator starts to mark the price range, an unbroken area will appear, indicated by a blue line. In this situation, you should not place any orders. If the price candlestick breaks out upwards, the line color will change to green, or the indicator will signal a broken upward. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. If the price candlestick breaks out downwards, the line color will change to red, or the indicator will signal a broken downward. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicators Search tab and type Trend Magic. Then, select Trend Magic by xauusd. For the Trend Magic indicator, leave it at the default settings. This Trend Magic indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. If the Trend Magic signal line changes from red to blue, it is a buy signal. If the Trend Magic signal line changes from blue to red, it is a sell signal. Now, we will discuss how to trade using this breakout trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the price candlestick breaks out upwards and the range detector line turns green, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Wait until the price candlestick retests the range detector area. After the retest occurs, wait for the Trend Magic indicator to give a buy signal. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish and the range detector line is still green. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the latest swing low. Target the take profit using a 1 to 1.5 risk and reward ratio. How to place a sell order. If the price candlestick breaks out downwards and the range detector line turns red, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Wait until the price candlestick retests the range detector area. After the retest occurs, wait for the Trend Magic indicator to give a sell signal. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish and the range detector line is still red. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the latest swing high. Target the take profit using a 1 to 1.5 risk and reward ratio. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That's all for this discussion, and see you in the next video.